Proofreading with precision, the power of the pointer. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most effective and time-tested techniques for proofreading and editing, using a ruler or pointer to focus on one line at a time. This may sound simple, but trust me, it's a game changer. Proofreading is not just about finding errors. It's about ensuring that your written work is the best version of itself. When we proofread, we're looking for spelling mistakes, grammatical errors, punctuation errors, inconsistencies. However, when reading normally, our brain tends to autocorrect minor errors. This is where our technique comes into play. Have you ever found yourself reading the same sentence over and over again while proofreading? It's easy to lose focus or get overwhelmed by the amount of text. Here's why using a tool can help. 1. Focus. It isolates a single line or sentence, allowing you to concentrate solely on that part of the text. 2. Prevent skipping. It ensures you don't accidentally skip over lines. 3. Pace control. You control the speed at which you move through the text, ensuring thoroughness. Let's break this down into easy steps. 1. Start at the beginning. Place your ruler or pointer under the first line of your text. 2. Read slowly. As you read, move the ruler or pointer down, line by line. This helps you focus on each sentence individually. 3. Pause and reflect. If something sounds off or confusing, pause and read it again. Take your time. 4. Mark errors. When you spot an error, use a pencil or highlighter to mark it. Once you've finished proofreading, go back and make the necessary corrections. 1. Change your perspective. Occasionally, changing the orientation of your paper, e.g., turning it sideways, can give you a fresh perspective. 2. Take breaks. Don't try to proofread a long piece all at once. Take breaks to ensure you remain sharp and focused. 3. Different tools for different tasks. While a ruler or straight edge is great for lines of text, you might find a pointer more useful for diagrams or when working on a screen. Proofreading is an essential step in the writing process, and using a ruler or pointer can significantly enhance your effectiveness. Remember, it's not about speed, but about accuracy and precision. Happy proofreading, and here's to producing flawless written work.